Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I will show you how to replace the rear turn signal light bulb on a 2013 Ford Taurus. This works from 2010 all the way up to 2019. This light bulb is located inside the rear taillight assembly and it has two purposes. It's your regular light bulb when you have your lights on, and it also serves as a turn signal light bulb. To start, open the trunk, and first you will have to remove a couple of these plastic screws. So you can do it by hand and clockwise. This is how they look. So this one, there is one up here and there is one down here on the bottom, so you can remove that one the same way as well. Once you have removed these guys, now you can move this cloth side piece off the way to get access to three 12mm nuts. This one, this one, this one, so you can remove those. Once you have removed these 12mm nuts, the taillight will be completely loose. Now you have to be careful to pull it straight out towards yourself and not to the side, because there are still two pins here and here holding this taillight in place. If your taillight is still tight around here, you can use like a flat screwdriver, or even better like a plastic trim remover to gently pry it out here without damaging the paint. Once you have the taillight assembly out, this one right here is your turn signal light bulb. You just have to turn it counterclockwise, and here it is, so you can easily replace it. Okay, so this is the light bulb you need. It's 3157K. It's one of the most common ones, and you can buy it at any car parts store for a couple of dollars. Thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, please like it and subscribe to my channel. I try to post new videos daily. On my channel you can find lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews, and other similar automotive topics.